Nubini Pizzanini.
वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। मेरा हाथ फ्रैक्चर हो चुका है और मैं आपको एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने एक 33 मिनट्स वीडियो बनाया था, लेकिन गलती से फ़ोन आ गया और किसी का फ़ोन नंबर छूट गया, जिसकी वजह से मैं आपको दिखाने
Trying the pre-washed hair elixir on dry ends.
Nubini Pizzanini. Nubini Pizzanini. Ta 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 sa. Nubini Pizzanini. Nubini Pizzanini. Nubini Pizzanini. Nubini Pizzanini. Nubini Pizzanini. Liri Lillari. Cavallo Virtù. Nubini Pizzanini. Liri Lillari là. Nubini Pizzanini.
This guy was on the rebel one became the WhatsApp's new update and now clean should learn from his journey. He believes that the youngsters can grow not by watching motivational content online, but by taking inner risk.
All this motivational porn that we watch on YouTube and feel good about ourselves is not going to make any impact to your life.
In a podcast, it says you should be shameless to grab opportunities. If you keep thinking about what other people will think, then you should forget success.
Stop getting no shame. Shame is the most important thing.
And it's not learning to get bitches. Hope alone is not enough to fix your thinking. Build a product that solves real problems that people care about and not what everyone else is making.
I'm doing a lot of hard work and
What's 15 times 12? What do you do? Correct. So you definitely study and do it.
Lirili larila.
Because your leg system will count towards your time. Hey, bro, what's up? Don't you just do something real. You're really good. Please, let's work together, bro. You only talk to me when you need help with your fight. You're not my friend. No, what do you mean, Dr. Only is the best. Only is the best. Now,
गाइस प्रैक्टिस जो है ना मैच जिससे वो काफी दर्द हो रहा है
Crush? Yeah, weird, right?
Lirili larila.
Really long. What's 15 times 12? What?
How old are you guys? I'm 16. And how old are you? 14. How much is your water intake? My water like no. Yes. No.
किती वर्षाची असणार ती 14ची मध्ये एवढी ती सावळी किती करते
Timchi.
I'm 12 today. Yeah. My mom is she makes it now. That's it.
Tim cheese. Tim cheese.
ना हाथ फ्रैक्चर है ना आपके जैकेट हो गए बहुत सारे स्टील विंडो करके थोड़ा सा बोलूँगा मैं और ये पास में दिख भी लेने आ रहा है अभी जाती फेक अ पेन रोड खेलना है फेक अ पेन रोड फेक अ पेन रोड
चालू मोबाईल माझ्या आवाज
हां
बघितला
लाइव वीडियो इस